Hello, my name is Margarita Garcia. I am studying bachelor's degree in children's pedagogy. I am from Monteria. The question number 1. Have you ever been to Machu Picchu? 2. Have you ever touched the guitar? 3. Have you ever taken over 1,000 pictures in one day? 4. Have you ever spoken a famous star? 5. Have you ever accomplished exercise at the beach? 6. Have you ever practiced skiing? 7. Have you ever driven a motorcycle? 8. Have you ever taken tequila? 9. Have you ever handled a car? 10. Have you ever read Harry Potter? 12. Have you ever found money on the street? 12. Have you ever studied English before? 13. Have you ever walked a marathon? 14. Have you ever eaten tacos at home? 15. Have you ever worked on over 15 hours in your off? 16. Have you ever traveled the Great Wall of China? 17. Have you ever had an iPhone before? 18. Have you ever swum with dolphins? 19. Have you ever lost your wallet? 20. Have you ever left a slip on your laptop? Thank you.